Hello, Fred Waller here at Waller Tax and Financial Services. We're excited to announce that we are partnering with Restoration Relief in an effort to support Water Street Mission's annual food drive. We have a collection box right in our lobby and we're collecting a variety of non-perishable items. We have a goal of collecting 50 items, and to support that, we're going to match every item that is brought in. So, if you bring an item, we will bring an item. The food drive ends on November 24th. So come on, stop by and bring your non-perishable items to 2938 Columbia Avenue, Unit 1101, Lancaster, Pennsylvania 17603. And bring your non-perishable items, and let's work together this holiday season to help some people that are going through some rough times right now. Thank you, and I can't wait to get your support.